Okay, so this is my first look at the Samsung UE55LS03, otherwise known as the frame. It comes supplied with a no-gap wall mount, but it also comes supplied with a sort of tabletop basic stand as well, which you'll see later on in this video. The Breakout Box, which is showing now, that has all the connections that you have on the TV, so there's no connectivity on the TV at all, apart from this really impossibly thin cable that manages to carry power, all the video signals, USB signals, aerial, satellite, the whole lot is carried through this very thin, quite long cable. You can see it comes with the remote controls, and on the back of the TV you can see here, this is the part that comes with the wall mount. I didn't manage to get photos of the wall mount, but I'll try and include a link to the instructions if you want to get anything on that. You can see the cable tucks into the TV, sort of goes around this corner and keeps this really flush design. And as you'll see in a minute, when it's actually on the wall, it's incredibly flush, and you don't have to see, if it's installed properly, you don't have to see any cables at all. So it's really impressive. I really like it. I like it a lot more than I thought I would. I like the fact that you can show art on it, and also that there's art built into it. But it's also still a really good TV with a really good version of Smart TV. This isn't a review. It's just a first look. I just try and do something a little bit different, show the accessories, and also at the end of this video I show the Smart TV, what services it comes with, just running through it, just so you can get an idea of how snappy it is, because the 2018 models of Samsung TVs have a really nice, very good version of Smart TV. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.